What is energy? Some define it as the ability to do work, but what does that mean? It means the ability to make things move, change, go, do something, or just happen. So let's look at these pictures again. Which one of these things have the ability to do that? Which one of these things have the ability to move or change or do something or make something happen? As I look at each picture, I can't help but think that all of these things have the ability to make something happen. Even this piece of wood, it has the ability to light on fire. So then it looks like everything has energy because everything in some situation has the ability to move, to change, or to do work. Even if it's not working right now, it potentially could, right? So let me introduce you to these new phrases: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy that is not yet working, but it could. It could work, but it just is not doing it right now. Like my neighbor, Paul. He's a smart kid with lots of talent, but at the moment, he doesn't want to do work. So his grades aren't the best, but he has potential. I call him Potential Paul. Here are some other things that have potential. This fan has the potential to spin and cool up the room. This ball has the potential to fly in the air. This dog has the potential to chase squirrels out of my garden. This hammer has the potential to break a window. This hamburger has the potential to make my body run faster. This skateboard has the potential to roll down the ramp. And this log has the potential to provide heat and light. All of these things have potential. They're not doing it right now, but they can. So these things have potential energy. Now let's talk about kinetic energy. My neighbor Paul has a sister named Karen. Karen is really smart too. The difference between Paul and Karen is that Karen works. She moves and she creates change. She does her homework, she reads, she studies for tests, and so Karen gets good grades. She is already working, so her energy is kinetic. Let's call her Kinetic Karen. What else has kinetic energy? This fan is currently spinning, so it's working. That is kinetic energy. This ball is already moving as it flies in the air. This dog is chasing something, hopefully squirrels that are about to eat my plants. This car is speeding, and these kids are destroying the sofa. All of this is kinetic energy because it is energy that is already working. So potential energy is energy not yet working. There is no motion and there is no change happening. Kinetic energy is energy that is working right now. Things are moving, things are changing. So to summarize, energy is the ability to do work. All things have energy, and that energy can be classified as either potential or kinetic. Thank you for watching, and let's change the potential energy in your hand into kinetic energy to take some notes.